Hi everyone. Today's video is about something which is very important for artists to make their work look realistic and authentic. The element of texture. I'll show you three aspects of this element in this video, and we'll delve into a very interesting drawing. I think you'll quite enjoy it. And at the end, I'm going to give you a little bonus, which is a way of looking at the subject matter that I cover in a special way. It's a slideshow of two of the most fantastic illustrators of this in this sort of medium, if you like. Now, I just finished this little rectangle off just to demonstrate how we can apply hatching. Now, in the drawing that I'm going to do in this picture, which I'm really looking forward to showing you, it's going to have shiny surfaces, okay? So we wouldn't necessarily use hatching for this one. So each picture has got to really, or each subject, you've got to apply different kinds. So with curvy lines or shiny surfaces, you really want to use something that's not going to be too linear. The next form of shading, so this was hatching, right? So the next form of shading I'm going to show is just drawing very lightly little squiggly lines. I'll start off with the HB pencil, my standard drawing pencil, and we just try to still hold the pencil very loosely down here and just try to have sort of circular movement. At first it's a bit rough, a bit sort of, you're not in the rhythm of the drawing, but after a while you get into it, and it's very mesmerizing actually. Okay, I'll get this 2B pencil, and what I'm going to do, you can see I've got quite a long lead there, and I do advise to really you know, sharpen your own pencil. But what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to shade in the softest possible way, and I didn't mean to make that little mistake. I just rushed in there, but go really, really slowly. This one requires a lot of patience, but it's well worth it in the end. So just try to make a little passage going across, and we overlap. Now that's so light I can hardly see it, so you may not be able to. Okay, so I'll start in here, and we're not going to, it's similar to hatching, but the pencil is much lower, so it's just sitting on the surface, and we're just trying to shade. It's really a mixture of the little circles and the hatching, but imperceptible if you can do it. Just be patient. So here I've chosen a fairly complex, sort of curvy, linear type of design for you, and I'm just blocking it in at the moment. It's a 1950s very, very American car. I think it's a Buick car, and just feeling my way into the drawing. It's somewhere there, and I'm using my very light pencil, so I just want to show you how I'm attacking this. Of course, I put this this grid for you. You may want to follow along, and I encourage you to do so. So it's a matter of if you've got this grid line with a centre line, it'll just help you to place things, and right, so everyone, we try to make sure that these lines all line up at the same angle, and don't worry about the headlights yet. They can just be squares, just for placement. That's all we're interested in at the moment. Just see that that line conforms with this line, and this line conforms, etc. So a little bit of body to this chrome. That's what this well, it can be about how to draw this a complex shape of the car, but it's also especially about the texture of this. Right, so we might look where we call it a bonnet in Australia, and I think in Britain too. And you call it a hood, doesn't matter. We all know what we're talking about. So those curvy lines, they're really, you have to just try and get them right. And might just place in, okay, we'll look at this part of the windscreen, we call it, and it's about there. And take a vertical line down there and see if it coincides within the right position, and it does, more or less. We'll double check all of this as we get the drawing more developed. Likewise with this one, this is over here, and this point here, right? So take another vertical line and see if we're in the right place. Yes, it's just over that the wheel mudguard area. Okay, so bring that up, and see that actually helped us to find that little space in there. Just draw it as a box at the moment. So here's a tip, everyone. If you feel there's something not quite right, go out and have a cup of tea or something like that, and try to leave it for about half an hour, and then come back. Even you can even put it upside down, and you'll see that the problem is just only minor, but it happens to everyone. So there's the tip. So I erased all of this area here, and I'm glad I did, because now I can go ahead and start to put a little bit of finish in this picture. So thank you very much for watching, everyone. I hope you got something out of this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comments section. Thank you so much.